Thank you.
ओके, दीपक डाकरवाल आप स्टार्ट कीजिए।
Yes. So today our topic is on women sexual harassment. As we have seen in India, this topic is becoming a large problem. It is a very serious problem for the women in the outside of their home. Women do not feel safe because some men's the harassment are more and more by the men's in the workshop, and in as we have also seen in the school and colleges, these sexual harassments are problem faced by the women as small children near about age of 15 and many aged young men and also faced that problem to the women of sexual harassments. So the woman wants that they will safe at home, but they think that they feels unsafer from outside their home. So it is not better for the women in the world. All the men and women are equally treated. So that I think that harassment should not be in our countries. As government also passed some rule for stop these harassments, so women can feel unsafer at outside. So women will work also in a positive attitude. So thanks and have a nice day.
ओके, सॉरी, अभिनव सिंह राजपूत।
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Now I am going to discuss my topic on women sexual harassment. This is the burning topic in our today's society. Sexual harassment could take place anywhere at any time by anyone in any form. It could happen at the public place, either in school, either in the workplace, even at the home also. Sexual harassment can be verbal, spitting, sexual rumors, and many more. Mostly the victims of sexual harassment are girls and women in our society. It indicates that our girls and women are not safe for the society. Every second female gender in this world has to face this situation daily. If girl is being harassed, then she need not to be afraid, but try to fight against it and get harasser punished. Thank you.
Let me say a single word, please. Hello,
यस।
hello.
ओके, नेक्स्ट योगी जी दीपक कुमार। योगी जी दीपक कुमार, start the GD. Start the introduction of women sexual harassment. Okay, next Ankit.
Okay, thank you for nominating. Yes, sexual harassment can be happen in anywhere. At earlier, my friend said that, and one thing I like to add is that it is not limited to women only. It nowadays we can see some cases of children's being harassed by some older peoples. So we can just expand our thinking that childs are also going through this thing. And sometimes a very happy girl seems that everything is fine, but she does not share that she went through all sexual harassment because it will be a shame. So we have to make a society in which that girls can come independently, and uh, they can share their problem with society that I am went through that sexual harassment period, so please help me and all. So just one thing we can do is make this society that much safe that women can just come and share their problems, and also childs also. Thank you.
Okay, next Yogesh Parmar.
Hello everyone. Today's our topic is women sexual harassment. As we all know that in the modern world where women are competing with men, they have to face a lot of problems and challenges. Out of which women sexual harassment is the most common and a serious issue. So sexual harassment involves the explicit or implicit sexual overtones. It includes a range of action and sexual abuse. Harassments can be occur in many different social settings like workplace, schools, offices, etc. Sexual harassments can be done verbally by speaking or passing some abuse comments about someone's bodies, or doing it physically by touching and pinching in a sexual way. It can mainly done with girls and women. So at last, to transform India into a developed country, gender equality and the crime against women are the most important topic to be focused on. Thank you.
Okay, next Kishore N.
Yeah, thanks for giving me this opportunity. Today's GD topic is sexual harassment. Sexual harassment refers to sexual behavior which is humiliating and not good for anyone, because it implies that sexual harassment leads to spoil the lives of the women. So this should not be done in our modern world. We are facing this problem from so many years, but it is like a common issue nowadays. Everyone is neglecting for if some sexual harassment happens, and when it comes to viral, uh, people would people could talk only for 2 days uh, and take action against him, but when time passed everyone was continuing like that only. This should be done for a long period of time. We have to oppose the sexual harassment. uh, when it comes to uh, when it comes to sexual harassment, it is it is a practice of being touching and grabbing any opportunity to make others physical contact. Further, it is includes passing some bad comments on the women's. uh, Thank you.
Okay, next Vishnu Seni. Start.
Sorry, brother. I recently joined the group, so I don't know what is it today's topic. But it is my promise. I will be regular from tomorrow. Thank you.
ओके, अपना सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन दे सकते हो, अपना दीजिए थोड़ी देर।
Okay. Jai Hind, friends. My name is Vishnukant Saini. I am from Sikka, Rajasthan. I completed my 12th in 2019 with 87 percentage marks. My father's name is Mr. Amar Singh Saini. He is a farmer, and my mother, Mrs. Meva Devi, is a perfect homemaker. I have three siblings in my family, apart from my parents. Sorry, professor.
Okay, next White Devil.
Bro, I am new, so today and tomorrow I will just see.
आपने कल भी यही बोला था। चलो नेक्स्ट डिफेंस लवर। Defense lover. Start the introduction of GD topic women sexual harassment. Okay, next defense start करो।
Hello everyone, as we know today our GD topic is sexual harassment. In my point of view, there are many problems in our country, and sexual harassment is also the major problem in our country. Sexual harassment, it includes the physical, visual and verbal, and also psychological harassments. Basically, these type of incidents are mostly seen in the workplaces, companies, schools or colleges. Sexual harassment means when a sexual comments is passed on women by men in the public areas, or the workplaces. Sexual harassment come under the articles 304 and article 509 in India, in Indian Penal Code. Due to the sexual harassment incidents, people often create a fear, often a fear to complain against these type of incidents because they feel ashamed or a lack of trust on systems, and also they fear of losing their jobs. Thank you.
Okay, start the GD.
Due
Hello,
to the sexual
I am
incident
audible to you.
outside the home.
I am audible to everyone.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay, okay. Because network issue है ना.
GD start pro.
As we know, sexual harassment is not found in a particular area, but as we know, this is found at rural and urban places and any places in workplaces. So why? So we should know why people are here complaining against sexual harassment, because they are ashamed, fear of utilization, fear of losing their job, and lack of trust in our system. So as we know, this is India, and in India, most of government and non-government organizations are women are working, uh, especially most of the employer wants a woman candidate, especially in private sector. So but women is not only punctual, but also they are sincere, hardworking. So we s- we should know to ensure that women right in as well as necessary systems.
GD के टाइम मैक्सिमम एक या दो लाइन ही बोलनी होती है आपको। ठीक है, तो इस बात का भी ध्यान रखिए, आपको GD करना है।
At the outside of the home, woman is not feeling safe because many types of sexual harassment are faced by them. As we have already seen in the school and colleges, these type of harassment are also followed in that institute also. So I think that it should be banned.
Yes,
I
my
think
dear
that
friend, I
dowry
may
is
agree
the
with you,
main
but
main
according
cause
to
for
me,
the domestic violence, because according to the National Crime Record Bureau of India, reported incident of crime against women increased 6.4% during 2012, and a crime against a woman is committed every 3 minutes.
yes, my dear friend, I may agree with you, but if we talk about nowadays, these type of incidents are increasing day by day. The main cause of this type of incidents, because our government has the lack of responsibility and does not aware about these type of incident. Government does not take any strict action. If we talk about the Nirbhaya Kand, which was held on the 2012, and their accused was punished on the 2020. This shows that our Indian system is lack of
I am appreciative of it, but government has taken many steps to increase the status of women, and like Beti Bachao Beti Mahila Sashtrikaran, and
no,
and
no.
be
I agree
ensured
with you,
that
but
be ensured that as well as sexual harassment to uh, they includes very apprehensive jokes with sexual tones. So we should uh, we should ensure that women's right equality in workplaces.
yes, my
Yeah,
dear
I
friend,
partially
but
agree with the
this type, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, this type of programs are not working properly in India still today,
No, no,
I,
because
I partially
because
agree with
women
you
are nowadays
children.
struggling in the
as
field of politics and many more expert in the field of national growth and improvement. As we live in India, India is a secular country. If we giving the rights to men, we should give the rights to women also.
yeah, I
But
partially agree with you.
blaming
The government I'm already
blaming
working upon this.
I
The
this
government
point.
already and our judiciary system already have included a section 354 and 509. It is also
I
a
may agree
rule
with
for
you.
these type of harassments. Then how we
Okay,
can say
I'm
that
not.
government
And
is not working properly?
blaming government for it, is it not fair? We are why we are blaming government. Government already taking a step whatever it is necessary. I think we as a citizen we should realize our duty that we should make our society safe, that our women can walk at night also.
Yes, my dear
So
friend, I'm agree
blaming
with you,
I'm agree
but
government,
with you,
blaming laws, it is not.
but it is the duty of every person of workplaces.
Yeah, it is duty of each and every
And
individual. It is not, we cannot just say government is not doing, government is this and that. We should do our duties, right?
yeah, every
I am
citizen
not
have to
saying that.
take part upon this so that this problem will be solved.
Yes, my dear friend, I am not saying that the government is
to
does not
respect the
doing
woman
anything,
because
but the
in
government programs are very slow as compared to these type of incidents are increasing day by day. But government programs and government steps is not
yes,
sorry.
defense I agree to you. As we seen that recently, a woman was young raped in the train which was going to the Maharashtra. So it's a shameful incident, and the government as well as the railway has already implemented the railway protection force. Then what was the use of the railway protection force if the women are not safe in their trains? So I think it's a moral responsibility of the railway board to investigate the matter and punish the persons who are involved in this crime,
Yes,
and
my
as
dear
well as
friend,
As,
but according to
I
me,
am
it
agree
is
with
not
all of you, but
responsibility of the government.
but
It is
most of the
also
women is
responsibility of
are
the us.
include in psychological harassment, so they commit suicide. This is the most very problem in sexual harassment. कि it's a very includes psychological से they are psychological harassed, so it is commits to suicide. Then to reducing is in locality of the woman, and also is a very impact on our right?
Yeah, I
yes,
agree with
nearby
you, but I
I
I
want to
think
add
Yes,
a
I
point
agree with
in
you, my
view
friend,
that
and also I
if
want. Yes, yes, I agree with you, my friend. Also, I want to add fun. That we know that in our country, the sexual harassment is the biggest problem, because as we know that in the recent times, many more rapes has been done in every per days. So I think that government is not doing any action against it. But also only for the TRPs, news are sharing the news, but there is no strict laws of the in our country sexual harassment. So I think the government should take a strict action against Uttar Korea.
yes, Vishal, I agree to
yeah,
you. As we have seen that the
I partially
major
agree with
problem and
everyone
the major
because
thing behind
it's
is
the
that the
how
illiteracy
can
rate and the
something
unemployment
No,
rate
I
in
am
our
agree.
country.
I am agree with you,
As the
my friend.
unemployment rate
But
is increasing constantly in our
but
country because
government
of all
has
these
taken
things,
many
these
steps
types of
to
issues are constantly
but
increasing
this
because
working is
before the
not